Welcome to Hantec Financial Market Review. Today, we would like to talk about gold slips on robust U.S. data, EUR/USD falls as dollar strengthens. Gold prices edged lower on Thursday, slipping over 0.26% as stronger than expected U.S. jobless claims and retail sales data dampened expectations for Federal Reserve rate cuts. The solid economic reports supported the Fed's stance to hold rates steady at the upcoming July meeting, with officials emphasizing patience and caution given that inflation remains above target. The U.S. labor market continued to show resilience as jobless claims dropped to 221,000, beating forecasts, while June retail sales soared by 0.6%, largely attributed to higher prices from recent tariffs. These developments lifted the U.S. dollar index by 0.45% to 98.72, intensifying downward pressure on the non-yielding metal. Looking ahead, markets will watch for further Fed communication and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report for additional guidance. Meanwhile, in currency markets, the euro struggled as the EUR/USD pair fell below the 1,600 threshold, down 0.38% on the session. The decline was driven by the same robust U.S. economic data, which led investors to trim bets on imminent Fed rate cuts. While the U.S. reported hot CPI figures earlier in the week, the Eurozone's inflation remained near the European Central Bank's 2% target, heightening policy divergence. ECB officials offered mixed signals, with some advocating for a pause or cut, and others calling for caution and more data before any policy shift. The contrast continues to weigh on the euro, while the greenback draws further support from the positive U.S. outlook. Summary: strong U.S. data boosts the dollar, and Fed hold expectations, weighing on gold and the euro. Thank you for watching Hantec Financial Daily Market Review. See you next time.